Hi, boys and girls. Today we will say sounds, read words and sentences, and write words and sentences. For this lesson, you will need a paper and pencil or a whiteboard and marker. If you need more time to read or write words and sentences, you can pause the video and press play when you are ready to continue. Let's get started. First, we will say the sounds. You will say the sound, then we will say the sound together. Mm. Ah. B. T. J. I. G. Ah. Ooh. Uh. Ch. Mm. D. Ah. Now we will read words and then read sentences. After you read the word, you will hear me say, ready to check. If you need more time to read the word or sentence when I say ready to check, you can pause the video and press play when you are ready. Shh, shut. Shh, shut. Ready to check? I shut the door. I shut the door. Ready to check? Shed, 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 shed. Ready to check? I see the shed, shed. I see the shed. Ready to check? Shop, 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 shop. Ready to check? I like to shop, shop. I like to shop. Ready to check? Ash, rash. Ash, rash. Ready to check? He has a rash. He has a rash. Ready to check? Ish, fish. Ish, fish. Ready to check? We eat the fish. We eat the fish. Ready to check? Ash, cash. Ash, cash. Ready to check? They have cash. Ready to check? Rush. Rush. Ready to check? We will rush. Sh, in, shin, sh, in, shin. Ready to check? B, F, Beth, it hit her shin. Beth hit her shin. Now we will write words and then write a sentence. If you need more time before we check and I show you the word and sentence, you can pause the video. Let's get started. Your first word is shot. 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 Ready to check? Shot. 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 Your first sentence is they shot the BB gun. They shot the BB gun. Ready to check? They shot the BB gun. Your second word is dish. 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 Ready to check? Dish. Ish. Dish. Your second sentence is Seth has a red dish. Seth has a red dish. Ready to check? Seth has a red dish. Your last word is hush. 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 Ready to check? Hush. 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 Your last sentence is Dad said hush. Ready to check? Dad said hush. Good job, boys and girls. See you next